Hello everyone, just have to trace down the V type of the lines and over which you just have to place some of the curves as apparent here. This activity is very simple and very easy. Definitely give this one a try. Then you just have to give the green color over the portion that's going to represent the grass and the leaves with the blue color. Let's move further and try to make these type of the leaves. You just have to make the U shape from the bottom and over which you just have to make some of the lines as shown here. All these lines are to be joined together by making some of the curves as apparent here. This is so good and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. It looks so cool and so nice. Let's now move further. Like we have to make the stalk portion. For that you just have to make a curvier line and the leaves and then fill them with the bright colors. Let's move further towards our another activity. Here we are making another flower. For this one you just have to make a circle over which you just have to create some more circles as apparent here. Add some more patterns here like the smaller circles that are going to represent the stem, and then you just have to make the stalk. For that you just have to make this bending line and the leaves. Let's now move towards our another activity. First you just have to make the circle and then you just have to place some of the lines over it. Then you just have to join them together and you just have to make the petals out of it that are inspired from the sunflower plant. After that you just have to make some of the slanting lines and the horizontal lines, like here you are building these crisscross boxes and in between you are placing some of the dots. Then the stalk is to be made and the leaves are to be joined together. This is very simple and easy. Let's move further and try to make the different type of the flowers. First we have already traced down the U and the one type of the stalk and the leaf. Now first we are going to convert it into the rose by making a spiral type of the look, then the three curvier heads for the tulip and then another rose and another flower. Let's move further towards another activity. For this one you just have to make the U shape and curve your shape. From the top you just have to make this mountain type of the shape and this stalk is to be added and the big giant leaves are also added. This activity is very simple and easy. Fill it with some bright colors. Let's now move towards our another activity. For this one you just have to again create some of the lines in the shape that's similar to the Y alphabet. After that you just have to join them together. From the lower portion a U type of the shape is created and the stalk and the leaf is also added. Then fill it with any color of your own choice. Let's move further and try to make this type of the plant. For this you just have to make a cross. Over the cross lines you just have to make and these heart shapes one after the another. Just pause the video and follow the each step properly in a sequential manner. Fill it with the green color like here we have done. Let's move further and try to make this peach type of the flower. For this one you just have to make the shape that's similar to the water droplet, and from the other end you just have to make a bulging shape and the two leaves are to be added from both the ends and the stalk is to be added. Now you just have to fill it with the colors like the pink and the green one. Let's move further. We have created these four different types of the stalks with the leaves. Now it's time to make the upper portion of these plants. Here we are just filling it with the circle color, and after that we are making use of the different color shades and creating some different patterns so that the different types of the flowers are made. This activity is simplest of all and it's very less time consuming. Definitely give this one a try. Let's now move further towards our another activity. We are making the square type of the shape over which we are placing these small tiny flowers as shown here. After that you just have to join them together and make a cactus type of the plant over it, and once you are done with it you just have to create the facial features like the smiling face. Let's move further towards our another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can create this beautiful flower. For this you just have to make a round oval shape that's similar to the egg over which you are going to build the two lines and the two leaves are joined together. Thank you.